Today we take practical geometry exercise 10.4. Let us start. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC. Given measure of angle A is 60 degree, which you can see here, and angle B, this is given 30 degree, you can see here, and AB is 5.8, this is 5.8. Then you have to construct this triangle. So immediately, without wasting time, immediately take a ruler. We take compass also. Sometimes we protractor also. We take it here. Okay. Now we can take it here. Now let us start. First we take 5.8. So first we draw a line. Let us draw the line. This is the line, you can see. Then after we can take this scale and we will measure 5.8. 5.8 is a little bit more. This is 5.8. So we extend this line up to this one. Okay. Then we remove this scale. We rotate it further. Okay. Then we need to construct 30 degree. So to construct the 30 degree, we need the help of compass. 60 degree you can draw, and you can draw 30 degree also. So with the help of compass, you can bring it here, and we can reduce it here. So this is, then we can take it from here, first cut, then we go for second cut. This is 60 degree. Whatever radius you take in the beginning, the radius must not change. Otherwise you don't get the correct 60 degree. So here is the 60 degree. We can extend it. Okay. Then let us move to this part. We can make 30 degree. With the compass also, if you are not comfortable, you can use protractor also. Okay. So first we try to make then this one, then we take it from here and we can bring it here. Then first we rotate this one. This is 60 degree. Then using the same 60 degree, let us move with the help of this one 60 degree. We make bisector of this one. Bisector of this one. Let it be here. So we remove from here. We can bring it here with the same radius. We can cut. This is the second cut. We remove this one. This is, we take help of scale. We can extend it. So this is 30 degree. Half of 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Cut off 60 degree. Then bisector of this 60 degree. This is 30 degree. You can take help of compass also, protractor also, if you are not comfortable. Okay. So in this way we get this construction. We can name it. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So this is all about the construction. We can erase this part. This is extra one. So we sometimes we need it. That's why we draw it. Okay. So this is all about question number 1. Then we will move to question number 2. Then question number 2. Here you can see question number 2 in PQR triangle, which I have rough figure is here. PQ is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Then this is 105, this is 40 degree. Can we construct the triangle? This angle is not given. Okay, let us see. First, we draw a line like this. So then after, with the help of ruler, we measure it. Let us bring it here. We need 5 centimeter. Let it be 5 centimeter. Then we can mark here 5 centimeter. So then after, we can remove this scale. Then after, we need 105 that side. With, for example, you need 105. So we can mark it here 105. This is from this side we move. This is 100. This is 105. So this is 105. Okay, you have to see this one. Since scale moving this side, we are using this scale, lower scale. Okay. So this is 110, sorry, 105. Then we need to construct 40 degree here. How we can construct? Let us join this line. Let us join this line. This is okay. So if you construct here 40 degree, you can come here. Other way is you find this angle also with the angle sum property. As we know, sum of these three angle is 180. So we can take help of, let it be x, p x plus 40 plus 50 plus 105 equals to 180. Okay, so this must be 145 180. So x equals to 180 minus 145, that is 35. So this is 35. So we can do what we can do. We can then we draw 35. So here this is 35. So what we can do, with the help of protractor, we bring the protractor. The help of protractor, here on this side we make 35. We are using this scale, upper scale, this side. So we need 35. This point is for 35. Okay, then you can remove this one. Then with the help of scale, using this one, we can extend it. So we got it. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay, so this angle is 40 degree. Automatically it will come 40 degree. We have, this is 35 and this is 105. Okay, so this is our required triangle of question number 2. Okay, now we move to question number 3. In question number 3, you can see, examine whether you can construct triangle DEF. क्या DEF triangle बना सकते हो? तो DEF में क्या दे रखा है? EF is 7.2. This is given as 7.2. This one. And this angle E, you can see angle E. This is 110 given. And this angle F is given 80 degree. So if we 110 is like this and 80 is like this, they never meet. One other thing we can do, if we know in any triangle, for example, if we have any triangle, if we have given two angles, we can find the third angle. 110 and this is 80. So what is the third angle? If triangle or construction of triangle is possible, then we can find this angle. So as we know, 110 plus 80 plus third angle, sum of them, they must be 180. But you can see here, sum of these two is coming 190, which is more than 180. So this angle is not possible. Okay, so that's why they never meet. So construction of question number 3 is not possible. Okay, So this is about question number 3. Now let us move to exercise 10.5. 10.5 is exercise related to RHS. Okay, RHS means right angle hypotenuse, and one side you will find it. This exercise is based on criteria RHS. RHS means you will find right angle, you will find one hypotenuse and one side. Then you are able to. Now see in question number 1. This is the rough figure of P. So first we draw, need to find, this is 8 centimeter. With the help of ruler we can check it. 8 centimeter. Now you can see 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Let us bring it down. Then PV. Now with the help of this one we make 90 degree. First we reduce the height so that we are comfortable. Then after this is about first arc, then we come this side and then we make a second arc. This is 60 degree. Now further we bring it here and we take help of with the same radius 120. This is 60 degree, this is 120. Now what we can do, we take one more arc here, this one, we bring it here and then we rotate like this, then take a cut here. So now we can remove 90 degree. Then after we can, after 90 degree, what we need 10 centimeter. So what we do, we extend this one up to 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Then we will bring it here. Make a cut here. It's a little bit larger, so we need to take help of scale. We extend this line. After extending this line, we can take help of further scale using this line and this one. So this is the required triangle PQR. Here you can name it. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, so now we move to question number 2. Question number 2, you can see, construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. This is given 6 centimeter. One of the leg, this is given you 4 centimeter, and this is 90 degree. So first we draw a line, then we measure with the help of ruler. We need compass also. So now we close this one. First we take, this is 4, whether this is 4 centimeter or not, 4 centimeter. So we mark it here 4. Then after we can remove this one. Then we construct 90 degree here. Here we will make 90 degree. So with the help of compass, first we reduce the height so that we are comfortable. So here we make 90 degree. So first again we reduce the height so that we get the small arc. Here you can see this one. Then first arc, then arc this side. So then after we will remove from here. Then we take the second arc. You can arc here. So we need to draw this arc again. So we will this is 120. So what we are doing, we are making 90 degree with the help of protractor. So we take help of scale, then after we join it, this is 90 degree. Then we have to make this 6 centimeters. So with the help of the compass only, let me extend it for 6 centimeter. Let it be 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Now remove this one. Taking this as center, we take a cut with the help of this. This is 6 centimeter. So this is the cut. So then after we can join with the help of scale using this one and this one. Okay, this is the required triangle of ABC. Let me name it. This is A, this is B, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. This is given 6 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. So this is the required triangle of question number 2. Now let us move to question number 3. In question number 3, we have to construct a isosceles triangle, right angled triangle ABC, where at C this is 90 degree. Now you can see this is 90 degree. We have at C we have drawn the 90 degree. So CBC AC is given as 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter which is given to you. So this will be also 6 centimeter. Since this is isosceles triangle, so we will start. We draw a line. Let us draw the line. Then we measure with the, now we take the help scale. Then this is 6 centimeter. We mark 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter point. Okay. Then after we make 90 degree here. So we take help of compass. You can, then we reduce the height. Then we move this side. Then we move to this side. Okay. Then we make a arc. Then again we make, this is 60 degree. Then we make arc of 120 degree. Then without wasting time, I make one arc little bit more here. So then we move from here. We take one more arc. This is 90 degree. Then after we have to, with the, so this is 6 centimeter, we'll make a cut of 6 centimeter. Then after you can remove this one. Then this is cut of 6 centimeter. Then with the help of straight line we can join these two. So this is the required triangle of question number 3. We can name it. Let it be C. This is B. Here we have 90 degree. Then this is A. So this is the required triangle. So we will end it here only.